with some friends. We're gonna eat some Korean food, you know. And then after we're done doing that, we'll go take a look at the Cadillac. Right now we're in BGC. I like hanging out this place once in a while. It's pretty cool. I don't know why some people feel self-conscious about filming themselves on video and people looking at them. Well, I don't know why it's like that. I'll show you a frontal view. Oh shit, I can't do a frontal view. We'll do it like this. And the Philippines is still in the middle of a lockdown. I don't know, this is the lockdown capital of the world or something. Anyway, that's how it is. So now we're just gonna walk towards this building. Hey, you see all the people staring now at the traffic? If you hear that, see that? That is what not to do with your car. It's bad for the engine. You can go to a lot of stores like this one here called Ralph's. They still sell stuff. And you can have parties with your friends as long as it's indoors, I guess. You can see BGC is a really nice place. I don't want to live here though. Hello, what's that? Is that a temperature machine?
Yes.
Huh?
Recording, sir.
My hot dog. Sneaking a video because in BGC it's pretty strict here, the filming. They can ask you to stop doing a video. But I bet if I was some other kind of foreigner, you know what I mean, a different color, they wouldn't give me a hard time, you know. But since I'm a black guy, of course they're gonna say, no filming. It's just how it is. If I was an NBA star, things would be different, right? So, do not get a condo. Because you're going to end up being in a restrictive lifestyle, you know. They're going to make you do things you don't want to do. Like today. No guests are allowed. I feel like our high school kids sneaking in some shit. Making sure the teacher's not watching me. They say bow wow this, bow wow that. Everything is bow wow here. But there is a difference between rules and the Republic Act, don't forget. Everything else does not apply. The Republic Act was enacted by Congress. It was created by the people. All the other rules, that regulations, policy, all of that, it's all irrelevant. The only thing that people need to abide by or worry about is the Republic Act, you know what I'm saying? It's like everybody thinks they're a lawyer, right? Everybody. And meanwhile, Thailand, Indonesia, Malaysia, and most other Asian countries, they don't have a lockdown right now. But the Philippines, lockdown. I think the people are power hungry here or something. Everything is locked down. Even if it doesn't need to be locked down, it's locked down. That's how it is, bro. What can I say? Need I say more? And now, we're experiencing this no guests allowed in your condo. Are you serious? So after you spend millions of whatever money to get your condo, No guests are allowed. What the? Why would I want to spend that much money in a condo and then no guests are allowed? What if my girlfriend wants to come visit me? What if I'm ordering a pizza? Right? What the hell? Not allowed. What the? You gotta be kidding me. Who came up with those kind of rules, man? They want to sell you this shit and then tell you later on, you've already signed the contract, you've been here a while now, you're not allowed to have any guests. What the stupidest rules I've ever seen in my life, you know? Go figure, right? Jesus Christ. Hell no. Guys, I would rather have a yacht. I would rather have a yacht than a house or, condo. Why? You can take that thing wherever you want to go. You can pack up and leave wherever you want to go. Forget about all these rules and regulations. It's a waste of time. So meanwhile, I'm sitting here doing nothing, just chilling with you guys, and trying to figure out why no guests are allowed. So my friends are inside right now, trying to figure that out. Shit. If you ask me, my ass needs to be on a road trip to go look at that car, right? Shit. Well, that's the way it is. You won't catch my ass in a condo anytime soon. Never, ever, baby. No way. It's just restricted. These people, they go along with it. Like sheep. Like, what do you call them? Lemmings, Little rodents that everybody groups together and they just go right over the cliff and everybody dies. Well, you want to be like a lemming. Screw that. Crazy ass shit. I wouldn't want to do that stuff, would you? No. So that's the deal. So folks, rule of thumb, don't buy a condo. It's just glorified prison right now. No guests are allowed. You want to get your groove on with your girl, they won't allow that girl up there. What? Seriously? Fucking crazy ass shit, man. Crazy. What am I gonna do? Have to go to her house? And she's like living in Masbate somewhere, in a province? Are you freaking kidding me? Yeah. Alright, it's time for me to go, folks. We'll be seeing you. Just done eating. Still at BGC, it's nighttime. Hanging out with my buddies. They're like girl buddies. There's a lot of things to do in BGC at night. But before you could just go anywhere, now it's, you can't go to a lot of places anymore. And it's boring. Everybody here is like robots. They just do their own thing, and that's what they want you to do. They want you to live in a condo, go downstairs, go shopping, and go back to your condo, and then go to work. That's it. That's not a life, is it?